Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. Today at the Senate, Edo reps, Edo reps turns a different leaves, insists, go after killer herdsmen in Edo, tells IGP, CDS and others, don't come and make Edo State uninhabitable because you are trying to make a name for yourself. Go to where the job is and get the job done. As the quest that those who should do the job should get it done immediately. So this is exactly what is going on at the Senate today. All the Edo representatives says it is high time that people rise up to the occasion and do what is necessary and needed, because enough is enough. We cannot continue with business as usual. So this is exactly what is going on. Every single person is watching carefully to see the delivery of what will happen. Go after killer herdsmen in Edo State. Don't come and make life unbearable for our people. We know exactly what is happening. Do the right thing. The House of Representatives on Thursday charged the Inspector General of Police, Kayode, Chief of Defense Staff, Christopher Musa, and the Director General, Department of State Services, Oluwatosin Ajayi, to urgently deploy their personnels to tackle worsening insecurity in Edo State and Metropolis. In Esako East local government area, for example, people's life are being killed as though there are no security agencies in our vicinity. When it was time for election, we saw how many police, the Inspector General of Police, released to Edo State. But after elections, they've all been withdrawn. This must come to an end. No more. The resolution of the House follows the adoption of motion of public urgent importance sponsored by the members representing Onwa West Constituency, Edo State, Mr. Bill Osareme. The urgent need to deploy security agencies is so important, it cannot be underestimated. We all must work at it immediately. There is an onslaught of Fulani herdsmen in our towns and villages. The lives of the people are at stake. We will not allow this. No, not anymore. Lobbying his colleagues to support the bills, Osareme, a member of the All Progressive Congress lawmaker, draw the attention of the House to the provision of Section 14B of the 1999 Constitution as amended on the need of the government to provide security and welfare for the people. He added that Section 17B of the Constitution provides that the sanity of humanity should be recognized and human dignity should be maintained and enhanced, adhered to. Osareme said every person has a right to life and no one should be deprived of their existence. We must do all we can. We are representing the people and we must speak for them. The House is aware that on Monday, October the 28th, 2024, herdsmen invaded one of the villages, a popular farmland known as Fertility, and destroyed completely the yam plantation of a youth leader in Otiosa community toward Ward 9, Esako East local government area, Mr. Samuel. This is unheard of. The House is also worried that on Tuesday, November 5th, 2024, 3 herdsmen by the name, their names are there, went ahead and killed people in our constituency. They ambushed them going to the farm and they killed them. This is not acceptable and we must not allow it to continue. No, not anymore. The need for urgent rising up to the occasion is now. We cannot allow herdsmen to destroy the life of our people while we say we are representing them, keeping quiet, not mentioning the desires of the people, what is going on in the Senate. So this is exactly what is happening right now. Every single individual is seeing it. And thank God for this senator representing the people who is speaking in terms of what is going on, saying no more are we going to allow the same thing over and over again. The Fulani herdsmen, their menace is becoming unbearable. And so nobody should sit back there and just be quiet. Leaders should do what is important. Leaders should do what is important and ensure that lives are preserved. You cannot say you are representing the people and yet you do absolutely nothing to see to it that the lives of the people are protected. What is going on now is not acceptable. It's not acceptable in any way, form, or kind. These are some of the traces of injustice, that have continued to embrace our nation and even right here and now. And that's why, again and again, the need for urgent, sincere, honest, sincere people who will rise up and say, we will not allow this thing to continue is needed. It is needed beyond words. The nation already, there is a lot of tension, with lives and property, people going through a lot. That's more than enough. That's more than enough. And so nobody should sit back there and think that things are suddenly going to fall in place if we continue to allow, those who do not qualify for all of these things to continue to be the ones who are leading. If you will not represent the people, there is no need for you being there. Honestly, truly, sincerely, truly speaking, there is no need for you to be there. If you will not represent the people adequately and ensure that sincerity, truth, and honesty is dispensed at all levels, So the menace of the Fulani herdsmen is more than enough. Nobody should allow them to continue. And so it is important that every one of us rises to the occasion and speak out for the people. Because what is going on in Edo State is not what should be condoned, not at any level. So it is what it is. These are the days where every single person should do everything, humanly speaking, possible and ensure that we stand for what is right. What is right, what is honest, what is truthful is necessary to move us to the next level as a nation and as a people. So it is what it is. If there is any way we must rise up, it is now more than ever before. No one should allow the same thing over and over again. So it is what it is. It is what it is. Well, my lovely, wonderful people, we all have a duty of care to ensure that everything that we need to do to bring this nation to the right place is done. Please leave us a comment. Don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless. Have a fantastic day. Bye for now. Bye-bye.